Incorrectly.
Watch this train go off the rails real fast.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the home bartender starter kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek to show you how to make spicy pineapple paloma because it's spring and palomas can be good and
they're easy.
Somewhat. This was slightly more complicated than.
Yeah, this is. I mean, of course.
I mean, otherwise you just
found
make
something more complicated.
Well, yeah. Otherwise, it's
you guys are just going to suffer through making this. It's so complicated.
Yeah, it's so hard to make drinks.
So you're gonna take 2 ounces of tequila. You're gonna have a friend take 2 ounces of tequila. 1.5 ounces of pineapple.
You have a friend of a friend.
Yeah. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. 1/2 ounce of agave nectar. 2 to 4 dashes. We can decide how we want to play this. 3. We could do 3. A boy drinks rolled Serrano Cocktail Spice. Grapefruit soda. This suggested.
Are they really that spicy?
Fever Tree. No, it's not too bad.
You're about to find out.
The Fever Tree seemed like it was going to be the best. I had ChatGPT go through it with me and kind of pick out what would be the right flavor profile for this. And I think this one
spicy.
This one said it wasn't as why is it this one isn't as sugary, I think is what the deal was. Why is it that we always, and I'm not pointing just you, I do the same thing, use the bitters, blow out our face, and then taste the cocktail? Like, it's not the first time.
Because I'm like, it seems interesting.
Yeah, I do it all the time. Like, and you're like,
Oh, it's spicy when it hits the back of your throat.
Just try it after the cocktail. That'll be a good time. Yeah.
Well,
2 to 4 days.
I want to be prepared.
Yeah.
2.
3.
That's 2 to 4.
Yeah. That was.
I can smell it spicy.
Yeah. Serrano Cocktail Spice. This is available at awesomedrinks.com because I sell it. And if you go to Boy Drinks World's website and then you click on shop, luckily, I think it's because he's sourced by alphabetical order or he likes me on the first store. So I sell probably more than most of the people do. Out of everything that I sell in the store, which is very little because I try to trim down bar mats,
just this?
kits, that is like the one that sells the most. I sell he has 3 of them. He has passion fruit, walnut, aromatic, passion fruit. But these are the ones that sell everything.
Oh, so he's only got like 3 or 4 different.
That's it.
What's passion fruit taste like?
Passion fruit.
Should I wait till after the drink?
No, that one won't. That won't blow your face up. The ironic thing is, that's when I was originally doing some bitter stuff. One of the, I think it was Adam, was it Adam Elmergrib? And there's a couple of different people like, you can't make cocktail bitters with passion fruit. I'm like, I didn't know that. And then all of a sudden I saw this. I'm like, I thought that couldn't be done. He's like, I don't know, I did it. And there you go.
It's very bright.
We're topping with this, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is there another step that I'm going to miss?
You should have rimmed the glass.
We don't have a rim.
No, I know. I just wanted to fuck with him.
Well, you did it.
I'll just lick the rim. And then
if that's what you prefer.
Ooh, it is pinkish.
Is it
I've never done a Paloma with pineapple.
Neither have I. That's why I was like, this is interesting. This is intriguing.
We got no foam from that pineapple.
Now you cannot make that statement.
No, but if you did, it probably wouldn't look as sexy as that does.
I've never used a fever tree either. Their grapefruit soda.
Yeah.
Look at the layer of that is nice.
I've never seen it. I've never seen fucking. Let me see if that comes out of camera.
Fucking.
Dude, it looks like a fucking ice cream.
Oh, that's good.
Right?
It's
fun.
It's
that's what 50-50.
Oh, this is good. I'm gonna have to get some of this.
Sell that by the gallon.
It's tasty. I love how it's so dainty.
You can buy bigger ones. I bought these are good for cocktails, right? Because that's your perfect cocktail size. Yeah. You that way you're not always like we got half glass left over, and you know what? It's 30 calories. It's got some sugar in it, I guess. Huh?
Yeah,
that's probably why it's good. Although I guess all of them do though.
It is.
It's got 100, so it's better than pineapple juice.
Yeah, this is true.
By a factor of 3.
Yeah, but
it's only 11%.
Yeah, but
11%. 11% alcohol.
So pretty damn close. So I was wrong.
Added sugar.
Is it added sugar?
Yeah,
it's 5 ounces, and this is.
But I guess all the
6
pink
ounces.
grapefruits, like unless you get like sparkling water, like flavored water, they all calorie based.
So what's that? 6 calories per ounce, and this is.
Oh yeah, want to try this?
100.
Yes.
Divided by 16 calories.
Should we stir it?
Yeah.
Are we supposed to?
I don't know.
Are you supposed to stir it?
Oh.
probably
Don't know. Can't follow instructions. They did not scroll.
Why did you decide that?
No.
Missed garnish.
Guys, the pineapple wedge. You would not have one of those.
We don't have a rim. You think we're gonna have a pineapple wedge?
Well, I mean, you decided to Stephen Hawking me for some reason. You just
No, I danger Will Robinson to you.
same thing.
That is interesting.
Should we stir it?
That's really not good.
No, not a bad.
Whenever someone says that's interesting.
No, it's just the flavor profile.
The flavor profile with pineapple.
I thought you were talking about my robot impression. I'm like, hey, that's not offensive, is it?
It was
Robot
offensive, but not for
overlords?
the reason you think.
That is.
The spiciness kind of comes through. I mean, it's not spicy, but it's. Is
but
it about
but it feels like it's about to be spicy.
Mm.
I mean, it's spicy, but it's not
It
like
has
it's
the
hot.
promise of spice, but
Yeah.
I didn't get any
You didn't get any
fulfillment
spice?
in that promise.
You didn't get any fulfillment in your spicy promise?
Oh, now that you stir it a little bit.
Reaction.
No, it's a little bit more integrated, clearly, but
It's good. I've just never had a Paloma with pineapple.
Pineapple juice.
The pineapple definitely like takes over.
There's a little bit earthiness from the Serrano, but there's no kick to it. Can I have the bitters? I'll try them now that I've wet my whistle. Oh, they're there.
But it is
Maybe
spicy.
that's why I'm getting more of the spice because I was already
You
spicy.
primed yourself.
Yeah.
No, but it's spicy. It's just not hot.
Probably need the rim.
Like, you taste the spice.
She's okay, what she said.
You need the rim.
What was the rim?
She's smiling.
She-
I can see this. I can
I
see
do.
that. Tight on the lights.
I think
What
it was
was the rim? What was supposed to be on the rim?
Tagine.
tagine.
Uh,
Oh,
Tagine.
Tagine, not tongue.
Is that spicy?
I don't know.
It's like that's a little.
This is good. I think the
Yeah, it's good.
pineapple's just like throwing me off a little bit.
I don't know.
It's a little flat.
Yeah, I'm surprised there's no foam from the pineapple when I shook it.
I don't think that would make it any less flat though.
No,
And
but
it's
I
not like fizzy.
I'm disappointed that there's no foam.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe that soda isn't fizzy enough.
Here, well, the girls.
Could be.
Yeah.
Drop a little bit more of this in there because there's some left, or no? Okay.
You want some of the pink?
It's not a bad drink. Like it's good.
Yeah.
It's just a little
You know what it is? It's
flat.
a Paloma. Like, Palomas aren't the most crazy, intense, interesting drinks.
I like a Paloma though, but I think
I know.
It's like you get that spice in the back, right? Yeah.
I don't think it. No, I'm not. That's the thing. It's like, I like a Paloma too. It's not like really interesting.
Complex.
Yeah, it's not a complex drink. It's simple. Like, if you could.
I think I was like, because most of the time when I have a Paloma, like I'm getting like bubble, like I'm getting fizz,
Yeah.
and there wasn't that much fizz in that one.
Maybe we just need more.
We also make it a little more sugary.
Yeah.
Like it's made with we use the San Pellegrino.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
other. Like, San Pellegrino is definitely the sweetest.
Yeah.
The Squirt is a little bit up there. Doritos is kind of sweet too, but not as sweet.
Really sugary.
Or Doritos.
Yeah. Hurry
Like, but I think I
Doritos.
typically do it with Squirt just because, like, sometimes I have it, but Squirt does have a little bit like that sugariness.
Oh,
yeah.
Sugar.
Back for the infant.
You guys can make it at home. You decide. Leave your comments below. Tell us what you think about it.
You tell us what you think.
That's what I said. Do that. That's it.
Well, you know, upper management has to repeat things.
Yes.
That's true.
So that
I was.
He's gonna do it
clarifying.
in a. He's gonna do it in a
Yes,
way like
I was doing
assertive.
I was doing it in a more approachable way.
Here's what you need to do. You need to try this at home and leave a comment.
Exactly.
Don't listen to that douche.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, he's on fucking
Come on. I'm like high on
Mango
yogurt
cream.
effect right
and yogurt effect.
now. I was like pouring this shit all over my body. Like absorbed like carrots.
Yes.
What is happening?
There's a yogurt effect rim job happening.
Yeah, it's too much
You don't
carotene.
want-
Yeah.
Oh, that's what we could have burned it with.
yeah, you don't want to be associated with
Carotene? Brandon was fucking caffeinated. Anyway, what did y'all drink?